Hey guys, this is Gojala. Hope you guys are enjoying learning and implementing aspects of coding. From today onwards, we're going to start Python. Python is a widely used language and it's one of the easiest ones out there. Together, we're going to make fantastic projects and we're going to learn concepts along the way. Remember, coding is like going to the gym. You have to be regular to see some progress. Let's crack on.
So the reason why I wasn't uploading videos for a long time is because the time I would spend making videos was when in myself learning about new Python functions, I was making new Python projects, and it's really interesting. So I like to pass my information on, my knowledge on. So the first thing in starting Python is of course downloading and setting up our IDE. So the question arises, what is an IDE in programming? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it's a piece of software which provides with the essential tools required for programmers to flourish in their coding skills. The IDE we'll be setting up today is renowned among professional Python developers and it lives up to its reputation. There are plenty of development environments to choose from, among which PyCharm, developed by JetBrains, stands out. You guessed it. Today I'll teach you guys how to set up PyCharm on Windows. So before we can set up our IDE, we must download our normal Python. So to download that, we just have to go on Python download and click on the first link. The first link is going to take us to python.org. And once we click on the big download button, the file shouldn't take too long to download. And once it's downloaded, I'll open it. Make sure this button is ticked and go ahead to install now. So once it's installed, it shouldn't take too long to install. I'll be right back. So now my Python has downloaded. I'll close this. And now we can download our PyCharm. So to go on the download link for PyCharm, I'll type PyCharm download this time. I'll click on the first link and there are two options which you can download. The first one's professional PyCharm and the second one's community PyCharm. Professional PyCharm, it's a free trial, but then you have to start giving money. And the community PyCharm, it's free and it mostly has all of the tools on the professional one. So once you download this, you're going to be taken to this link. And PyCharm should approximately take 5 minutes to download. So once PyCharm has downloaded, I'll be right back. Permission to make changes to your device. You're going to get this wizard, so just click next. Make sure you know where you have the destination of the folder. Click next. And if you want to have an icon of PyCharm on your desktop, you can click this icon and click next. And you don't have to do anything else and click install. Once this is installed, I'll be right back with you. Once this installation is done, you can click finish. Once your download is complete, you can go ahead and open PyCharm up. So when it's opened, you're gonna come to this screen, and because I already use PyCharm, I'm over here to this screen. Or because you guys are probably new, you have to go to new project and you can name the project whatever you want. My first proj. And make sure on base interpreter you have selected the Python you just downloaded. So in my case, this is the Python 310, which stands for Python 3.1. So I'm gonna click create this window and it's gonna create my virtual environment, and this is the default screen you're gonna get once you make a new project. So you can go ahead and delete all of that, and you may have you may want to create your first project right here and now. So you can print something off in double quotes, And when to run your program, you have to go over here and run main, and you're going to see a pop-up and it's going to print world over here. Once your program's working, you know you successfully downloaded PyCharm, Python, and now you're ready to crack on and dive deep into Python, how it works, its fundamentals, and making projects for yourself. I hope this video helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.